upbeat music plays. Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make decisions that your wallet will thank you for. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of floor cleaning as we put two contenders head-to-head, the BISSELL Power Steamer Heavy Duty 3-in-1 and the Neugo Steam Mop. Grab your popcorn because it's about to get dirty, but in a clean way. Let's kick things off with the price. The BISSELL Power Steamer is strutting in at $175, while Neugo is making us smile with its $109 tag. That's right, folks. You could buy a Neugo and still have enough left over for a fancy dinner or, a full tank of gas. Reviewers appreciate the Neugo for its reasonable price and effectiveness, while others suggest the BISSELL is worth the investment for tough cleaning jobs, despite being on the pricier side. Next up, let's talk steam power. BISSELL claims it has powerful, high-temperature steam to blast away the dirt, grime, and your hopes of ever having a clean house. Reviewers noted its effectiveness in removing tough stains, although some mentioned it can be heavy to use. Meanwhile, the Neugo boasts a cool 230 degrees Fahrenheit steam temperature, making it perfect for cleaning without harsh chemicals. Users rave about its ability to effectively clean tiles and sanitize floors, making it a favorite for pet owners. Now let's talk versatility. The BISSELL is a 3-in-1 heavy-duty cleaner, transforming into a handheld and extended-reach steamer, making it a versatile choice for various cleaning tasks. Reviewers appreciate this feature for tackling tough jobs. The Neugo, on the other hand, is adjustable for all floor types, with settings for delicate hardwoods to tough stains. Users have praised its performance on laminate flooring and its effectiveness on grout and scuff marks, showcasing its versatility as well. Let's not forget about the water tank. BISSELL has a powerful clean, but no mention of the size of its water tank, leaving some users wanting more. Meanwhile, the Neugo has a removable 15.2 ounces water tank, allowing for easy refills without the hassle of spills. While some reviewers noted the small tank as a downside, many appreciated the convenience of the removable feature for quick refills. And finally, let's talk cord length. BISSELL has left us guessing with no information on their cord length, making it a bit of a mystery. In contrast, Neugo comes equipped with a 23-foot cord. Users love the length, allowing them to clean large areas without constantly unplugging. Reviewers have found this feature particularly useful for maneuvering around furniture and getting to those hard-to-reach spots. In summary, both the BISSELL Power Steamer and Neugo Steam Mop have their strengths and weaknesses. The BISSELL is praised for its powerful cleaning ability, making it suitable for tough jobs, while the Neugo is appreciated for its affordability and effectiveness on various floor types. Ultimately, the choice comes down to your specific cleaning needs and budget. So, who wins the Steam Mop showdown? If you're looking for versatility and a budget-friendly option, Neugo might just be your new best friend. But if you want a heavy-duty cleaning powerhouse and don't mind dropping some cash, then BISSELL is ready to steamroll your mess away. Remember, folks, whether you're Team BISSELL or Team Neugo, the important thing is to clean smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more comparisons that'll help you buy smart. Until next time, keep it steamy and stay clean. Product links are in the description.